Christmas, everyone! You're probably going to see this on Christmas Day because anything, but seem to be inundated with suspension work today. You know what I mean?
Yes, love it.
A little bit of suspension. Merry Christmas, everyone. So, got ourselves a little Peugeot 108. Yummy. Just what we like. Got our jack and axle stand all on there sorted. We're doing suspension arms and drop links. So, stay tuned. I'll be back with you in a sec. And yeah, let's get on with it. Yeah, he's actually doing work today too. Amazing. He stole the gun though. Just as I was about to use it. Just as I was about to use it, guys. But, you know, I'll let him off because he's getting it done. Can I borrow it now, mate? Cheers, pal. Cheers, pal. Thanks, mate. So, I'm going to get this little badger off. So, get our little wheel off. 17mm. Easy peasy. No lockers on this as well, so even better. That's what we like to see. Well, hey. There we have it. Nice little one. So we got, let me get some light down here for you. That's the drop link replacing. See all the bushes are a bit cracky. Then we got, take this off, a bolt up the front here. See just up there. And we got one just back here. So we'll get those off and we'll be right back with you. Here's a bit of sight into this. So 12mm on this. Oh, we're gonna have to hold it with something. Is it 10mm or is it bigger? No, 10mm. Hold it with a spanner, because that's what you need in your life. With a spanner, get this stupid boring drop link out. I hate these drop links, they're the worst. Bush style. But, you know, hey ho. Get them done. Oh, that's that one off. Let me get it off up here. So you're going to need a 10mm and a 12mm spanner to get these off at the top, and you can use a 12mm obviously ratchet on the bottom. Again, just take your time, bit annoying, can't stand these things, and I'll probably keep repeating this over this video, but yeah, hate these drop links. Yeah, see you in a sec. Okay, that's that. So we're going to get a little retainer out of here, get a screw 8. Pop that out.
So this was a drop link?
12. Yeah, come on. Out you come, you little sausage. One sec, let me get a pick. Because I need a pick in my life. Hey. Okay, don't have a pick on me, so that's helpful. A small screwdriver might do the trick. There we go. So, what you want to do, get your little screwdriver just on the edge of that, pop that back, and you'll get it off. So now, right, back in a sec, and I get this ball joint, start this ball joint off. The 19mm spanner will get, let me get a bit of a pull on that. Yeah! Bloody hell, that was, she was tight there, people. Oh my days. Noise you get. Oh boy. Seem to be doing a lot of suspension work at the minute, don't we? Every man and their dog's suspension is cream crackered. Okay. Right. Now, get our ball joint split. We'll knock that off. If you ain't got yourself one of these, you should probably get yourself one. Because it's quite handy when you're doing ball joints, because of replacing the arm, don't have to worry about killing the bit. It don't make no odds. So, hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. Get that into there. Here with a few wallops. There just like that. She's oot. Oot, oot, oot. Look at that. Easy peasy, people. You can get that out now as well, look. There's your drop link as well. All the stupid bushings on it. Not my favourite. Push that out of the way. And back in 2 secs when I get the other 2 bolts off, and this arm will be out in no time. Sorry guys, got ahead of myself then. Then 17mm head on that, comes out of there, and then out of there. Just razzed them off with the gun, because it makes life easier. Get up there. There we go. We'll set these up over here. Onto the wheel. We'll get this down. Just like that. Out you come, you sod. There we go. And there you have it, people. One suspension arm. Oot. Look at that. Another suspension arm. She's out of there. See you later. Easy as that, guys. See? Job done. If I can do it, you can do it. Everybody can do it. Alright, so here you go, guys. Get this back bush in first. Always your best bet, because you end up fighting it. So I'm gonna have to put this down because I've got much shake in there. I have to try and lean you up here so you can see what I'm doing. Tapper, tapper, tapper in. Okay, let's get back to it. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing, people. Right, let's get that bolt lined up. So, what I tend to do, come under, get this one lined up, which looks like it actually is pretty bang on. Got it pretty much first time, guys. Look at that, straight in. Get that started, that's all you need to do. And then, come over here, put this other one in. Just a tap, tap, taparoo with a hammer.
Back was just slid in.
Huh?
Back one just slid in.
Yours just slid in, mine didn't. I like flipping wallop it a good few times. Bit of spray as well. It lined up nicely though, to be fair. And sometimes these here just give you a little tap. Now you know they're seated. We'll just run it up with a gun slightly, and then we'll torque them up. Same with this one here. Look at that, perfect, beautiful. That's what we want, people. That was easy, wasn't it? How easy was that? That's what we want to see. Get this here, get this ball joint still. Oh yeah, track rod end, yeah. Drop link, yes. So yeah, before we put that on, guys, we drop link in. It's a little bit easier to get them in.
Where's them little drop links?
What we got today? Look at that. Nice, new, spanky, shiny, good stuff. Oh. And while I'm still fiddling about, I tend to leave the ball joint cover on, see here, just so I don't catch on anything. But while we're here, you just want to do that. Get that set up because it makes your life a lot easier, trust me. You can move the arm up and down and about then. So let's get to it. Get our Delphi Technologies drop link in. These are my most hated drop link though. I genuinely hate these ones. Always hated these ones. Which side is that? I believe that goes on top. Yes, it goes on top. Bottom, should I say? Oh, fuck you. That one goes on the bottom. Think about what we got here.
a bit of metal work, don't we, here?
So for anyone trying these drop links for the first time, just bear in mind they can be quite bloody fiddly to get them lined up. So just be patient, you will get them, I promise, but you probably hate them just as much as I do because they're just really annoying. So stay tuned, we'll see.
There we go.
They're a bit fiddly to start, these drop links, but once you get them, it's all groovy. Just a bit flipping fiddly to start with. I'll come back in a second. I'm just going to tighten this drop link up and then I'll bring you back when I'm talking it all up. Peace. So, as you probably have already always seen me do, just thought I'd show you that. So, I'll show you now. This bolt here, 100 Newton meters. This one back here is 110. So, I'll quickly torque them up, and that's it. Basically put the wheel back on, and that's pretty much it. Job done. So, let's do it. I need to get another tripod because the tripod is knackered on the camera. Again, keep breaking them. It's annoying. Keep buying these cheap tripods and they keep bloody breaking. There we go, 100 on there. Turn on the back. Come on. Come on. Always go back. And that's it. Job done. All torqued up. Done the ball joint off camera because, again, put it down, got ahead myself. Seems to be a common thing with me, but, you know, it is what it is. So we've got nice new suspension arm in, got new drop link, and we're good to go. So I'm just going to shove the wheel back on, torque that up, put it on the ground, and we are out of here. So stay tuned, people. But if you haven't made it this far as well, don't forget to like, follow, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll keep the good content coming. What's up, mate?
13 socket.
For what? The big box.
Oh, hang on. I know where it is.
Oh baby, oh baby, baby, oh baby, baby. Hiya ho, hey yo. And we'll just lightly nib them with a gun and talk when it's on the floor. Look at that. There we go. Bish bash bosh. Get all our bits and bobs now. Tools, all that good stuff. Get out of here. So I'm just going to put it on the ground and I'll be right back with you. There we go, people. That's part of the puzzle. Nice and easy. Let's get it done. Do it one-handed for you. There you go. It moves. Moves. Oh yeah. Nice and easy. Again, see, isn't that hard, my tyre fitting friends? Don't need to use a gun for everything, honestly. You just don't. Just literally get your torque wrench, put the right size socket on it, go clicky clacky, and guess what? You're all good. Hang on, let's get this jack down. We have to do this side now. Okay. Get this side done as well. There we go, look at that. How good is that? Torque up Harry's sorry for him because I'm a nice fellow like that. What's that? Oh, they actually.
Some bits of foam bits, just you have to get them when it's empty in it.
I think we're going to have to empty the van in it properly. Old Marv just throwing all the shit around the van, you know. Well done to him, you know. Quality. Top quality progress as always. So, we'll be back in a sec. So that's the little Peugeot 108 done. Merry Christmas from us. And by the way, we're almost at 150 subscribers now. Appreciate all of that. So if you do like this video and find it helpful, appreciate it. From us, Harry and Marv, Merry Christmas.
Merry
Like,
Christmas.
follow, share. See you on the next one, people.
Goodbye.
Peace!